Active dogs. Willingness to learn. Its curious behavior make it an excellent guard dog. Family protection and territory protection is his protocol. German Shepherd dog is friendly with children too, but we should make sure to socialize it at its earliest ages. German Shepherd dogs are very obedient and protective to its owners. These dogs will never get into an immediate friendship with strangers and will make a distance with them, and performs as an excellent guard dog.